Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss about the human-centered design and why organizations are attractive towards it. So human-centered design is a creative approach to problem solving that starts with understanding the need and experience of the people. So it's a process that focuses on the user and their need in each phase of the design process. It involves the human perspective by observing the problem within the context, conceptualization, development, and implementing solutions that meets the user needs. So currently most of the organizations who are dealing with AI are attractive towards it because it enhances user satisfaction. So by focusing on the user needs and experiences, organization can create products, services and systems that are more useful and desirable to their target audience. It also improved innovation. So human-centered design encourages by looking at the problems and challenges from a human perspective, which can lead to more innovative and creative solutions. It also increases efficiency. So solution designed with the end user in mind are more likely to be adopted and used effectively. So it also gives a competitive advantage. So in a crowded market, products and services designed with a deep understanding of user needs and experiences can obviously stand out. It also gives a social impact. So human-centered design is not just about creating products. It's about solving complex social issues by putting people at the heart of the development process. Last but not least is the risk mitigation. So engaging with the users throughout the design process helps to identify potential issues and barriers at early stage. That allows organization to mitigate risk before they become more significant problems.